Hello everybody, here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the upper control arm on 2004 Lexus GS300. You see the control arm completely loosened, and my customer, he got a red reject on a safety fail. So okay, let me show you guys how to replace it. Okay, you see they have 3 bolts. Okay, one for the ball joint and one for the control arm. It's number 14. Okay, try to use it. I don't know we can get it out of the bowl or not. Try to lose it. This one number 14mm, and the ball joint bolt in here is number 17mm. I don't want to remove the whole struts out, so let me try it that way first. I hope it works. As 2 bolts come out easier, the job gonna be fast. I hope it come out. Hope it's not gonna touch with the strut. Touch with the strut. We're gonna find a way to get this one off. Oh, here you go. One bolt's out. Man. The side, you know, the coil spring or the strut spring very close to the bolt. I don't know if we can get this one off or not. The bolt here. Let me try first. We just try to cheat it, you know, like we don't want to remove the struts out. It's too many work. Yeah, according to the bolt on the bottom, we don't know it's good or not. I'm concerned about it stuck it. Wow, no room, huh? So let me see. Maybe I need to crack loose the upper bolts, the strut bolt. Maybe if I crack loose it, what do I need to remove more? Then let me use a flashlight to check it out a little bit. This one gets stuck right now. The bolt not come out because it's stuck with the coil spring. If I lift it up, so what should happen? So let me try to find a way. No, it's not gonna come out with. If I put the strut down a little bit, let me try to crack loose the strut mount bolt or strut mount nut on the top of it. I hope okay, let me take this one off first. The ball joint. It's number 17. Take this one off for her and let's see. Bolt a little bit stuck it. One bolt on the side, you know, like the upper control arm on the side number 14. On the left side, like it too close. The bolt too close to the spring. That's why I block it. The spring blocking. So let me try to find a way to get the job done faster and easy for you guys. Can do at home too. So I'm gonna use my favorite tool. Oh, this one. I can use one more tool. That tool are for ball joint remove tool. You can buy it at all the part. It's cheap. This one I bought like $15 used, so it worked. I'm gonna try it out. It worked very well. I bought like $15 or $18 something. The price not that bad for. Try to move it around. It's not gonna work then. The spring is too close to the bolts. Let me try to find a way then, guys. If I remove the strut, the lower struts out, let me try to remove the lower strut. Let me show you. It could be out. It's not that hard to remove those. Let me show you. You see the bolt here, number 17 bolt for the lower strut. Let me try to remove it and let's see what happened. Okay. Number 17. Let me remove it. The lower strut bolts out. I hope it's not stuck it, because the bolt last time I removed it won't come out on that car. I'm so scared about the okay, let me remove it. Oh, no luck, no luck. If I try to remove it, it's gonna rock the bolt. So let me try that way. The strut in here is not that good. The bolt, it already stuck it. Let me crack loose on the top. Let me see, can we put it down a little bit? Oh no, it's stuck a lot with the control arm too. Let me try to find a way, guys. The bolt stuck so bad, then this one stuck with the. Let me crack loose the upper bolt for the struts. Let me bring something to stand on it. Try to find the way, the shortcut one. Okay, this one is number 14 mirror. I'm gonna bring the cameras up and you can see it, okay? Okay. So we remove the cover. This one is number 14 with the mirror. So I'm gonna bring this up my tool and do it on the top. Let me bring the flashlight, bring my gun. Okay guys, I'm gonna move the cameras up a little bit, okay? You can see what I'm doing. Right now I'm trying to remove the strut bolt, okay? To get some room for take the bolts out. I hope it might help. This is number 14 millimeter. 3 nuts. 3 nuts on the top. Just remove it. Then I'm going down. Okay, let me put the camera to the same spot, okay? I hope we get enough get some room to remove the bolts out. Vậy ra no room, still the same. Try that way. Oh, we get room right now. It's good. It's good. The bolt come out. Okay, it worked. It worked right now. It worked for me. Here you go. As you see, the bolt come out right now, so the job gonna be done faster. So yeah, you don't forget to remove the nut, the strut nut on the top. You see here you see how the upper control arm, the ball joint completely loose it. So let me install the new one. This is the new one here, and I got from the International Auto Part. I use the Moog brand name. So let's install it. Lucky day for me. It's a lucky day. So just put the bolt. The hardest one is the bolt on the left side, a little bit tough, and the right side super easy to get in. If you get the bolt on the left side out, the job gonna be done, guaranteed. So let me do the same procedure. I have to. You do with two people, you get much easier than you do alone. But for me, I have no luck. I do alone. I have to put the bolt in then, so I know how to get it in right now. Again. You do alone, a little bit tough, guy. You know, if you do at home, you get more than. Oh, here you go, the bolt in. So the bolt in, I'm gonna put a second bolt. Very good, guys. So okay, I'm gonna put this nut in here. It's almost done, guys. So let me tighten up the number 14 first. Tighten up number 14. Job gonna be done soon, guys. I'm so surprised, you know, that fast. Okay, so it's a perfect tightening the bolt. Okay, one perfect. And try this one. Okay. Use it. The original is they use number 17, but the new nut in here they use number look like number 19. Oh, perfect. So after you tighten up the ball upper joint in here, just put the lock pin. It's very important, okay? It's for safety. Always put it. And it's almost done, guys. Just I'm going up to tightening the strut mount nuts on the top in here. It's the last part. You see number 14. Camera 14 and 14. And let's put a power back. Okay, here you go. Finally, 16 minutes. Get the job done. So it's outside right now. Is how to remove and install the upper control arm on 04 GS300. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my video. So any questions, just let me know. That's all. You know, like you don't need to remove the struts out. Just remove the upper nuts, 3 nuts out, and you're good to go. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.